Hello class 6. In today's class, we are going to start chapter 3 word processor tabular presentation. In this class, we are going to learn that what is a table, what is a cell, and how to create a table in MS Word. Okay. So how to create a table in MS Word. Now what is a table? A table is a grid of rows and columns that intersect to form cells. It is a grid of intersection of rows and columns and it forms a cell. Look here. This is the example of table. A table is created here. It has three columns: serial number, name, roll number. Serial number 1, name, roll number. 2, name, roll number. 3, name, roll number. 4, name, roll number. So like this, we can create the table, and it can have many number of rows and many number of columns according to our requirement. Suppose if you want to create a table in which you want to store the serial number, name and roll number of all the students of your class, then you can create so, and you can store the name and roll number. Okay. So first, what is a table? A table is a grid of rows and columns that intersect to form cells. Now what are the grid lines? The lines that mark the cell boundaries are called grid lines. Now look here in this table. That is between the cells, we have this vertical line. That is, vertical lines are called the grid lines, and these lines mark the cell boundaries. These lines mark the cell boundaries. Okay. Now see, horizontally it is called rows, like serial number, name, roll number. The heading is the first row 1, Rajesh Kumar Singh, roll number 10,000. It is row 2, then Albert D'Souza, row 3, row 4, row 5. So in this table there are 5 rows, and how many columns? 3 columns. So row states the data and text information that is represented horizontally. A column states the information represented vertically. So this is serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, name, roll number. So this is vertically. This is the column. The table features help us to insert text, pictures, or another table into it. We can insert the text, means words, typing material. We can store the pictures or any other table in it. Okay. So now, how to create table in MS Word? MS Word provides that help us create tables in a document. A table is inserted in the document where the cursor is. In a table, wherever the cursor is, there in a document, wherever the cursor is, there only table will be created. So what are the steps? We have total 5 steps. First step, place the cursor on the document where you want to create a table. Place the cursor where you want to create a table. Click the insert button which is available on the menu bar. Select table and then insert table from the drop down menu list. Then enter the number of columns and rows in the insert table window, and finally click OK. Okay, so how many steps? 5 steps. Now let us see. First step, place the cursor on the document where you want to store. Now to place the cursor, open a empty document. See, a blank document is here. We have menus: home, insert, page layout, references, mailing, review, view. So second option is insert. To click on the insert option. Now in the insert we have a table. See a table. Insert. When you click on the table, insert or draw a table into the document. So now you bring the cursor wherever you want. So bring the cursor wherever you want on the documents. We can bring the cursor. So after bringing the cursor, click on the table option. Click on the insert table. It will ask you number of columns and number of rows. Now suppose you want 3 columns. So just you delete and type there 3. And how many rows? Suppose you want 62 rows. To type 62. And then we have 3 options here: auto fit behavior, fixed column width, auto fit it contents, auto fit it window. So I'll suggest you to select the auto fit to contents. So click on the auto fit to contents and click on the OK. So as you click on the OK, table is created. In this, you can type the heading first, serial number. So type serial number. Then second, click on the second column, type there name of the students. In the third column, roll number. The type roll number. Okay, done. Now come down, click on down, write serial number 1. Now in the name column, any name, suppose Abhay Kumar. Go to roll number column, you can type any roll number. Same way, serial number 2. Type serial number 2, name, any name, suppose Manikant Dubey. Roll number, type any roll number. Same way, you come and click on the serial number 3. Go to name column, type any name. Go to roll number, type any roll number. Like this way, you can create your full table and you can type all the serial number, name and roll number of all the students in your class. After that, click on the home. Go to file menu, click on the save as. Save as window comes, type the file number, suppose class 6, type class 6. Okay, type class 6. Click on the save. And your file is saved with a class 6 name and you can use whenever you want it. So once again, what are the steps to create a table? First, place the cursor on the document where you want to create a table. Click the insert button, select the table and then insert table. Enter the number of columns and the number of rows. Finally click OK. A table is created like this. Okay. Now, next topic is, what is a matrix? A rectangular arrangement of data in the form of horizontal and vertical lines is called a matrix. See, this rectangular arrangement of data in the form of horizontal and vertical line. This is the horizontal lines and vertical lines is called a matrix. Now, what is a cell? A cell is the smallest unit of a table that is formed at the intersection of a row and column. See, each rectangular box like serial number 1, name 1 and roll number 1 is called a cell and it is formed at the intersection of a row and column. Alright, so in today's class, what you have learned? In today's class, you have learned that how to create, what is a table, what are the grid lines, and how to create a cell, how to create a table, what is a matrix, and what is the cell. Learn all this definition and steps. Thank you.